Solving the cube is very easy. Watch this. Click on the first item. Rotate. And the item is in the correct position, and correct orientation. Click the second item. This is its destination. But, unlike other approaches, now the destination moves toward its cubie, into the workbench. The region shaped like the letter Y, made from the cube, is affected by the sledgehammer. Look at this video for details. Now the orange-white cubie moves into the position of the white-blue cubie. Instead of using the R rotation, the sledgehammer starting with R will be employed. This rotation completes the task. Look at this video for details. For the third item, the approach is the same. Move the destination into the workbench. Determining the rotation needed. Running the sledgehammer, starting with the same rotation. This rotation completes the task. All the same for the fourth item. The fifth item is a corner. Once more, the destination is brought into the workbench. However, this time, the sledgehammer must be the one that swaps the diagonals. Look at the arrows pointing towards each other. The first sledgehammer sets the corner. The other two sledgehammers orient the cubie correctly. This rotation completes the task. Sixth item. The destination goes into the workbench. The edge white-green has a wrong orientation, so the first sledgehammer brings the whiter sticker into the white face. The second brings the blue sticker into the blue face. This rotation completes the task. The seventh cubie is off the workbench. This rotation brings it onto the workbench. Any sledgehammer can move the cubie to any other position. Finally, this rotation completes the task and restores the cube. Items from 7 to 12 can be sorted out in the same way. The 13th item is already correctly placed. When the edges red-yellow and yellow-blue are swapped, it's called the trap. Look at this video for details. This rotation brings the yellow-green onto the workbench. The sledgehammer moves the yellow-green to its neighbor position. Another rotation brings the orange-yellow onto the workbench. The sledgehammer moves the cubie in the same way, and the last rotation restores the edges. To set the correct orientation, just move the red-blue cubie and bring it back. For the final 5 corners, utilize this new workbench. These 3 sledgehammers position the red-yellow-green cubie. The destination for the corner orange-yellow-green goes onto the new workbench. These 3 sledgehammers position the cubie. Now is time for the orange-yellow-blue. Now is time for the orange-yellow-green. And the last rotation restores the edges. Repeat the sledgehammer until either a solution is found or until this configuration is achieved. A new workbench sorts the orientation of this corner. The red-yellow-blue goes into the workbench. This sledgehammer. Sorted out. Done. Look at this video for details. If enjoyed, let the other know. Thank for your time.